Brazilian literature. Name of the book, The Brunette. The Brunette tells about a story of a love that happened in the 19th century. History tells that four medical students who decide to go to the island of Street, and where her grandmother lives, owner Ana Felipe, one of four boys, Augusto, one of which has a reputation for philandering, and he says that is incapable of loving a woman. Among these four boys were also on the island cousins and sister the Brunette, Carolina Philippi. Because of the fame of the philandering friend, Philip makes a proposal to Augusto. He can stay for at least 15 days with the same woman over the weekend, and he writes a novel of love that will remain on the same day that they stay on the island. Augusto is attracted by Carolina, and then he comes visiting the island often to see the girl. He falls in love with Carolina, but reminds her that he had already made a commitment to get married to another woman when small. But at the end of it all, they discover that the girl was promised to marry Augusto Carolina. They are passionate and he loses the bet. They go to Philip and ask about the novel he will write, and he responds that already done, and what is called The Little Brunette. Movie scenes. Caroline the Brunette, Clementina, Quick-Wynana and Jonan on Sorrow. Augusto and Caroline the Brunette. The events that occurred on the island are on top of Chapter 3, and goes so far as Augustus returns to the island with his father to see the girl in Chapter 13. Book is an ancient language, but is very accessible people today. Party talks is the soiree in Chapter 16, but not like years ago. But when the girl's passionate and gentleman of character to read novels published in serials to induce people to be readers, and also raises the question idealized woman, which is the characteristic period as well, which is known to Romanticism. End. Work done by Nathalia, Débora, Dieny and Deise. Class 214. Teacher, Doriani.